डिपार्टमेंट?
सर हमारा सर दिसंबर बैच का तो नहीं हुआ अभी तक दोनों यूनिट
फर्स्ट सभी का हो गया है, मतलब सेकंड सभी का हो गया, फर्स्ट जो रहता है उसको हम दोबारा से रिवाइज करते हैं। आज हम रिव्यू ऑफ लिटरेचर डिस्कस करेंगे इसमें।
ओके सर।
Sir, please share the syllabus and reference book also.
The plagiarism. Give me just 2 minutes. I'm setting up a file to check. So you have to pay.
सर स्क्रीन शेयर करना, हमें पता लग जाएगा आप कैसे कर।
Yes, now I'm sharing my screen. Is this visible now?
Yes sir, visible.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So I'm writing here, turn it in. So this is the site turnitin.login. So we just write our email ID, password, and then login. So there is an option of student subscription also. So you have to pay I think 1,000 for a year. So it's cheaper for student. Like we have mentioned several assignments here. So I'm going to submit in QFST.
गिर जाएगी।
Okay, so now I'm going to submit my assignment here. Submit. So it's a very simple process. First is author. So I already set here the names. Name Ankit, then Kumar. Submission title like Abhishek, or I have the file of Sanjana paper. So Sanjana paper. Choose from the computer. So this is the upload process. I just upload the file on the online software. It also detects the AI.
Okay sir.
Yes, then confirm and go to inbox. So it will take around 3 to 4 minutes. There is a paper. So it will take around 2 to 3 minutes to finalize the file. So as I said, do not use any tool, any online tool which are freely available on Google to check your like plagiarism, because your file will save on the online portal, and then if you check your plagiarism from any reliable software like Turnitin or any other one, so it will show 100% plagiarism. So please do not upload your file on any freely available software on Google. Then
Okay sir.
yes, and if you upload your file on the like any free available tool, so in the later it will be problematic for you. Okay, it's taking a longer time. So now I'm going to take the attendance.
Good afternoon, sir.
Yes, good afternoon.
Sir, again repeat please. Login करने के बाद after of login.
Okay. So this is the reliable software to check the plagiarism. Turn it in. Then
Yes.
go to the Turnitin login. Then you have to like fill all the details, email address and password after subscription.
Okay.
And then you have to like assign the you can change the interface according to you. So we have assigned here different assignment like CFST. This is for thesis. This is for Center for Food Science and Technology, and this is for Center for Food Science and Technology. So this is the different assignment here. So we can submit our like file in any assignment. So I'm going to submit the file here, submission. So we already assign here two names, one for Ankit Fogart and second for Amit Verma. So we can set it by the settings. So like I'm selecting here Ankit Fogart. So now submission title. So you can like add any name here. Like I'm writing here Abhishek paper or Abhishek thesis or anything else. Now we have to choose the file. Like I have a downloaded file here. So just by selecting this file and upload it on the online website.
Yes. Okay.
This is very simple.
Yes. Okay.
सर जब हम
Yes.
फ्लैग निकालेंगे तो डायरेक्ट हम अपना पेपर डाल सकते हैं यहाँ पे?
हाँ हाँ बिल्कुल.
ओके.
डायरेक्ट हमें अपना पेपर ही डालना है और जो फाइनल फाइल आप चेक करना चाह रहे हो वही आपको यहाँ पे रखनी है.
सर तो शॉर्ट ट्रिक बताओ हाउ वी कैन राइट इजीली.
How you can write a review paper?
Not a research.
I don't get your word. How can we easily write a research paper?
Right, sir.
Okay. First of all, there is no shortcut or a easy method to write a research paper. So if you are like you are going to conduct a research, so I will recommend you to write the research paper in the meantime. अगर वेट करोगे कि सारा काम हो जाएगा उसके बाद ही करना है तो it will take more time. So you have to like write the introduction part. This is not require like the primary data, and you can write the material method because it is already like a set of methods which you are going to conduct.
सर जो ये हमारा 6 मंथ के बाद सर हम असाइनमेंट वहां प्रेजेंट करेंगे सर उसमें भी फ्लैग और एआई का वो होगा या फिर सर वो हम कॉपी पेस्ट करके कर सकते हैं जैसे मतलब थोड़ा बहुत डाटा उठा के कहीं से कर.
नहीं मैं उसके लिए ऐसा कुछ रिकमेंड नहीं करूंगा. बाकी मतलब आपने कोई भी फाइल सबमिट करनी है किसी भी पोर्टल पे, तो वहां पे मिनिमम फ्लैग 15% होता है। देख सभी के लिए ना सेट ऑफ रूल्स हैं, लाइक फॉर थीसिस यू कैन सबमिट थीसिस बिलो 20 in MMDU, but it set 10% below in state agriculture universities or some other government universities. So it depends on university policies. और कुछ जर्नल्स भी है, लाइक दे रिक्वायर मोर देन like below 20. Some journals they recommend below 10. So it's depend on journal to journal, university to university. So I will not recommend to submit a direct copy paste file to any portal.
एक्सक्यूज मी सर।
Yes, please.
सर एक्चुअली मुझे पूछना था कि कुछ ऐसा ट्रिक है जिससे हम लोग
Yes,
रियल
you
में
can.
पेपर इजीली क्लियर कर सकें।
One minute. So you can check here. There is 32% similarity and 38% AI writing. So there is 70% copy paste. And you can directly check the similarity index by clicking on it. So this is a paper, and the copy and paste will be highlighted by different colors. Like this is the part copied from other paper. This is also copied. So there is 32% overall similarity from other papers and 39% AI. This is also highlighted by like different colors. So there is 70% similarity in this paper. So you can directly download the report from here. So you can download the similarity report, AI report in just few minutes. So this is the reliable software to check the AI or similarity index.
सर अगर साइटेशन कर देते हैं फिर तो नहीं फ्लैग आता ना सर?
साइटेशन एक्सक्लूडेड होती है मोस्टली, लाइक देखिए यहाँ पे है ना ऑप्शन आता है एक्सक्लूड साइट टेक्स्ट, तो हमने उसको ऑलरेडी एक्सक्लूड किया हुआ है। एक्सक्लूड स्मॉल मैचेस, अगर हम इसको अभी और क्लिक कर देंगे तो और ज्यादा आएगा, ठीक है ना।
सर क्या आप हमें प्रैक्टिकली बताओगे, मतलब सिलेबस के अकॉर्डिंग कि पेपर लिख कैसे सकते हैं?
ओके ठीक है।
कोई आइडिया नहीं है हमें, कभी चाहे किसी और दिन
सर ये जो टर्निटिन सॉफ्टवेयर है ये तो ऐसे पेड वगैरह है ना, तो जैसे हम नॉर्मल रिसर्च पेपर्स लिखते हैं तो सबके पास तो टर्निटिन का एक्सेस होगा ही नहीं।
हाँ वही मैंने बताया कि यू कैन मेक अ ग्रुप, लाइक आप 5-6 लोग मिलके, और ये स्टूडेंट वर्जन इज वेरी मच चीपर, अराउंड 1000 रुपीज का, मतलब 1 साल का सब्सक्रिप्शन होता है इसका, तो वो सब्सक्रिप्शन आप ले सकते हैं।
ओके सर,
ठीक है ना। स्टूडेंट वर्जन इसका काफी मतलब ऐसे चीपर है, लेकिन जो इसका ऑफिशियल लाइक डिपार्टमेंट के लिए वो अराउंड 40,000 का है पर ईयर।
तो ये भी हम लाइक गूगल पे जो हम डालेंगे ऑनलाइन, ऐसे स्टूडेंट वर्जन इजीली मिल जाएगा?
हाँ आराम से।
The university itself कोई सॉफ्टवेयर प्रोवाइड होता है to check the plan?
सर मेरे को ये पूछना था, जैसे हम जो पेपर लिख रहे हैं वो तो पहला फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल कि हमारा गाइड चेक करेंगे, वो तो गाइड को भेजना होगा। देन ये वाला सॉफ्टवेयर तो सर कॉलेज वाले भी परचेज करते हैं, और जब हम गाइड को ही भेज रहे हैं उसमें मेन हमारे गाइड का भी नाम आएगा, तो फिर वो कॉलेज के बेस पे नहीं हो सकता या हमें
कॉलेज बेस पे भी देखिए मैं आपको बता देता हूँ। कई बार क्या होता है, आपने पेपर एआई से लिखा या फिर कहीं से कॉपी पेस्ट किया, कुछ भी है, आपने अपने एडवाइजर को सेंड कर दिया। कई बार ऐसा होता है एडवाइजर भी ट्रस्ट कर लेता है बच्चे पे कि इट इज नॉट अ कॉपी पेस्ट वर्जन, तो वो कई बार उसको डायरेक्टली कम्युनिकेट कर देते हैं। इन केस आपका पेपर पब्लिश हो गया, ठीक है, वहां पे जर्नल ने भी ज्यादा ध्यान नहीं दिया और वो पब्लिश हो गया। कल अगर हाँ, अगर वो 1 साल बाद भी AI डिटेक्ट होता है ना, तो वो पेपर रिट्रैक्ट हो जाता है। ठीक है, उसको बोलते हैं पेपर रिट्रैक्शन। ऐसा कोई जरूरी नहीं है कि पेपर पब्लिश हुआ तो वो वापस नहीं आएगा।
ओके।
वो और ज्यादा बेइज्जती वाला काम है।
और सर इस पे मतलब जो आप स्टूडेंट वाला पोर्टल बता रहे हैं, उस पे हम कितनी बार पेपर डाल सकते हैं चेक करने के लिए, या
अनलिमिटेड
फिर
अनलिमिटेड एक्सेस मिलेगा आपको। यस, तो आपको अनलिमिटेड एक्सेस मिलेगा। आप जैसे लाइक अभी कितने बच्चे, 87 बच्चे तो इसी क्लास में है। अगर जैसे आप PhD कर रहे हैं सभी, तो आप ऐसे ग्रुप बना के मतलब परचेज कर सकते हैं।
सर इसमें क्वालिटी कॉम्प्रोमाइज तो नहीं होगी सर, मतलब?
नहीं नहीं नहीं, बिल्कुल बिल्कुल भी नहीं। ये तो बहुत ही रिलायबल, दिस इज द मोस्ट रिलायबल सॉफ्टवेयर व्हिच इज यूज्ड इन इंडिया एज इंटरनेशनल पोर्टल। सो कोई भी क्वालिटी मतलब इसमें कॉम्प्रोमाइज नहीं होगी।
ओके सर, ओके,
ना
थैंक
आपका
यू।
कोई पेपर आपका कोई ऐसा नहीं है कि कोई मिसयूज कर लेगा, कभी भी नहीं।
जी जी जी, ठीक है, थैंक यू
थीसिस
सर।
मोस्टली जितनी भी थीसिस होती हैं वो सभी सी से चेक होती हैं।
Good afternoon, sir.
जी, गुड आफ्टरनून।
Sir, I just had a doubt कि sample size determination के लिए हम G power यूज करते हैं, तो अगर आपके पास मतलब आप एक क्लास ले सकते हैं कि how to use that software correctly.
जी पार,
हाँ जी सर।
ओके, ठीक है।
थैंक यू सर।
और किसी को कोई क्वेश्चन उससे रिलेटेड अभी प्लेगरिज्म से? Okay.
Sir, what
So now
about
we can start.
self-plagiarism?
Yes, yes, please.
Self-plagiarism?
Any doubt related to plagiarism?
Self-plagiarism, sir, self-plagiarism.
समझा नहीं मैं क्या कहना चाह रहा हूँ।
Self-plagiarism, sir. Self-plagiarism.
Self-plagiarism.
Yes.
Self-plagiarism, I think there is no such type of term like self-plagiarism, but there is tips and tricks to how to avoid or how to minimize the plagiarism in your writing. So definitely, if you are extracting the information from the secondary source, so there will be plagiarism, but you have to write your the whole information in your own words. Do not use AI or any online software to write the papers, but you can help. You can use the online softwares for help, but do not completely rely on the online portals for your writing.
सर कई बार हम जैसे कोई आर्टिकल्स पढ़ के उसके रेफरेंस को मतलब देखकर फिर दोबारा लिखते हैं, तो थोड़े बहुत वर्ड तो सर सिमिलर हो ही जाते हैं।
हाँ,
तो फिर उसमें भी फ्लैग आ जाता है।
बिल्कुल आएगा। देखिए, एज आई सेड, जर्नल्स रिक्वायर below 9%, below 10%. So there is no set rule of 0% plagiarism. So there are 9%, 10%. That is okay. इतना प्लेगरिज्म होगा, कोई इशू नहीं है। तो वो इसीलिए है क्योंकि देयर आर लाइक सेवरल टर्म्स, सेवरल सेट ऑफ लाइक वर्ड्स व्हिच वी कैन नॉट रिप्लेस। तो वो जर्नल ने ऑलरेडी आपको लिमिट दी हुई है कि बिलो 10% यू कैन सबमिट योर पेपर एंड दैट इज टोटली ओके।
ओके सर।
Yes. So now we are going to start a class which is related to how to write a review of literature. So yes, I remember that in one class Dr. Sultan said you review of literature, this is only part of thesis. So this is not correct. Yes, it is also a part of thesis, but what is the meaning of review of literature? It means we are reviewing the available literature which is on online form or offline form. So we are reviewing the literature and we are compiling it in a review form. So this is a review paper. So this is not completely like correct. This is only a part of thesis. So if you are reviewing any literature which is available online, offline, this is also a part of review of literature. So if you are like compiling the paper for a review, paper. So first, as I discussed and I have shared a PPT with you, first we have to like there is a PPT also. Okay. 1 minute. Writing the literature review. Yes. So this is the PPT which I already discussed. Writing the literature review. So first, understand the purpose of literature review. Why you are going to write literature review on a particular topic, on a particular like a concerned subject. So first you have to understand, and then learn method for organizing your literature and identify potential goals for conducting a review and become familiar with the steps of literature review. So there are set of sets like how to write a review. So first we have to write the topic. So there are a huge information available on online mode and offline mode. So first you have to decide what is your topic related to your interest. So like I am suppose I belongs to medical department, and I'm going to nowadays chemical is a major issue in any department, like in chemistry, in agriculture, in medicine, other department. So researchers and scientists, they are more focused on a sustainable approach to combat, to mitigate this issue. So they are more focused on plant based product, or like some other sustainable approaches to mitigate this issue. So keeping in this mind, so I'm writing like a paper on anti-inflammatory role of a plant, rose geranium, so deciphering or decoding or uncoding, you can write like this, or unraveling the anti-inflammatory role of rose geranium in human beings. So I have written this topic. So this is suppose that this is my topic of interest. So I am like finding some sustainable approach to mitigate the anti-inflammatory issue in the human being by a sustainable approach. So I have decided to write a paper on rose geranium. This is a plant, and it can use in medicinal properties. It also possesses medicinal properties, and it can cure anti inflammation in the human being. So then this is the topic or title. We can write as a title. So it should be short and catchy. So do not write a long, like 2 to 3 line or 4 line like topic. It should be short and catchy. So around 20 to 25 words, not more than that. 20 to 25 words. Then we have to write the abstract. So the word limit for abstract, it should be not more than 250 to 300 words. Yes, before writing review papers, first I would suggest please select a journal, select a specific journal for which you are going to write a review paper, like Springer Journal of Sustainable Medicine, like something like that. Medicine Journal of Springer. Like there are several journals: pharmaceuticals, medicine, Springer Nature Products, Springer Medicine. Okay. Journal of Molecular Medicine. Suppose I am going to write a paper for pharmaceuticals medicine. I am writing this paper, this paper for this journal. So first I have to check the submission guidelines. So there are guidelines for title, page, for tags, for references, for tables, for everything. So first, instructions for authors. So please read the instruction in conjunction with the additional information for authors. So before write any paper for a specific journal, you have to read all the information available for in this section, instructions for authors. So this paper, this journal like focuses on review articles. So there is a word limit for review paper. So word count up to 8,000. So it should not exceed 8,000. Otherwise, your paper will be rejected in the initial phase. And you can write a current opinion, a short paper, which is approximately up to 3,000 word limits. Then there is a leading article up to 4,000 word limit, and a systematic review. Systematic review means we are compiling all the information from history to present and with the future direction. We are just compiling the findings of different papers from like what happened in the history and what is going on right now, and what is the future direction of this research or this particular topic. So this is the type of systematic review. So the word limit for this type of like paper, this is 10,000. And for original research, research mean your research paper. So it should not more than 6,000. So it should be with a word limit. And then like letter to editor. So first, if you are going to submit our paper to any journal, so we have to write a cover letter for editor-in-chief, and in this letter you will write, this is our paper, we have not submitted this paper to other journal, or there is no conflict of interest among the like authors. So you have to mention all these information in the paper. Yes, and there is a other information related to your manuscript, how to write the author, co-author name, what are the source file needed. So like here is also mentioned, first is title. The title should be concise and informative. As I mentioned, it should be concise, short and catchy. So as I have written here, the title should be concise. It means only 20 to 25 words, not more than that. And then author information. Author information means information of yours and your colleagues, which are going to submit this paper collectively, like your name, surname, and affiliation, institute, city, country, your email ID for correspondence, and your like ORCID ID, Some journals they require ORCID ID compulsory, but some are very flexible with this. Yes. Yes. Here is clearly mentioned that large language models such as ChatGPT do not currently satisfy our authorship criteria. So do not use ChatGPT or some other AI tool for check your language. Yes, there is a set of like abstract. Please provide an abstract of 150 to 250 words. So you cannot write abstract up to 300 words for this journal. So you have to like summarize your abstract within 250 words. Then keywords, 5 to 7 keywords which are compulsory for this. And then text formatting. So manuscript should be submitted with this formatting, like use the 10 points times New Romans 10 size, and use the automatic page number. So before submit your paper, you have to strict hold the manuscript. Do not use filled function. And yes, save your file in docs format, Word 2007 or higher. There is a set of rule for headings, for abbreviation, for footnotes. And yes, more important, acknowledgement is more essential for any journals. Like acknowledgement of people, grant, funds, like institute should be placed in the separate section in the last, but before the reference section. And last is the reference. So yeah, so you have to like check all these information before writing your review paper, research paper. First you have to select a journal, a good impact factor journal. Yes.
Sir, how to choose a journal who is good or bad?
Okay. Like give me a second.
Sir, please tell about impact factor also.
Okay. Impact factor, it's very simple. Like suppose give me a second. Food chemistry. Impact factor means how many paper you have published and how many readers they cite your paper in their journal, in their paper. So the ratio of published paper and the citation, this is called a impact factor. Like there is a clearly written, the impact factor measures the average number of citations received in a particular year. Like we have received 9,000 citation for this year, and by paper published in the journal during the 2 preceding years. Like we have published 6,000 or 600 paper in the last 2 years, in 2024 2025. So the ratio of citation and the published paper, this is called a citation, a journal impact factor. So if journal has more impact factor, that means journal has more citation and people are reading their paper very rigorously. Okay.
सर हेलो सर.
Yes, please.
सर मेरे को बेसिकली ये पूछना था, जैसे हम वो कैसे डिसाइड कर सकते हैं इसमें कि हमारा पेपर किसके लिए एलिजिबल है, क्योंकि उसमें भी डिफरेंशिएट हो जाता है, नेशनल जर्नल, इंटरनेशनल जर्नल.
ठीक है, मैं अभी वही बताने जा रहा था. सपोज जैसे ये हमारा एक पेपर था, मिनी रिव्यू ऑन एंडोफाइट्स. सपोज यही मेरा एक पेपर है, इसी को हम सबमिट करने जा रहे हैं. तो मैं एब्स्ट्रैक्ट उठाना है यहाँ से डायरेक्टली. एब्स्ट्रैक्ट लेके फिर हमें जाना है यहाँ पे स्प्रिंगर journal finder, or you can write elsewhere journal finder or any publication house. So it require enter a manuscript title, abstract or keywords. So I have mentioned here abstract and keywords, and then find the journals. So it will check all the journals related to the keywords mentioned in this. It also has a open access option and a subscription option. So if you will choose the open access, so it will charge application article processing charge. So definitely the charges will be very higher. So I will suggest to choose a subscription option. So it will be published in a free mode.
Excuse me, sir.
This is hello. Yes.
Can you explain how to add citation in our file? Give one example.
How to any there is a not like a method to cite unrelated material. जैसे कि आपने suppose 60 papers add किए तो automatically you have given 60 citation in your paper.
सर वो 60 सेक्शन हम कैसे देंगे किसी लाइन के ऊपर जैसे
नहीं, ऐसे नहीं देना। देखिए जब आप पेपर लिख वो हम आगे बताते हैं, अभी पहले 1 by 1 चलते हैं।
ठीक है सर।
देखिए जैसे मैंने जस्ट यहाँ पे I copy paste here abstract and keywords and just find journals. So it's showing the relevant journal related to this abstract. So there are different like journals, plant and soil. So it is a hybrid mode, and the journal impact factor is 4.1, and it generally takes 6 days for first decision. And this is also a hybrid mode journal, but the impact factor of this journal is less as compared to the above one, and it generally takes 4 days for the first decision. Next is symbiosis. So I can submit in any related like journal related to this, because the keywords are mentioned here: plant science, soil science, plant physiology, ecology journal, because this abstract related to these keywords. So that is why it's showing different journals related to the keywords available in the abstract and in the keyword section. So it's very simple. I just go on, I will just click on this plant and soil science and directly submit your manuscript to this. And by creating my if I do not have the account for submitting the paper, so it's very simple. I just go on the registration now, and my name, last name, and then email address, and in a simple manner I can register myself here, and then I can submit my paper to this journal. So this is very much simple. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, you are audible.
Yes, sir, you are audible.
Okay.